Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my review. So today in this video we are going to talk about a smartphone. Obviously, is my channel is usually based on that. So as we all know that in 2019 we are going to see foldable smartphone from various bigger brands such as Samsung and maybe LG's and Royale's flexpai is already released. I have also mentioned one video about the smartphone in my channel and it's going to be in sale. So if you have not seen that, I'll put the link in the description and in the card. Please check it from there. So now getting towards the today's content, it has been leaked that Xiaomi is also trying to release its foldable smartphone, and according to the video leak, this is absolutely going to be insane guys, because this one is even beating the concept video of Galaxy F, which was also shown in the developer conference. And we know probably how the smartphone is gonna work. So one face is going to be a small display, and when that is unfolded, then it becomes a large display. But here in this video, which you are currently seeing screen, you can see that it is MIUI, so maybe a little bit of truth in it. And the guy is using the smartphone and folding it two ways, so this is quite amazing and quite innovative. And if the smartphone releases in the market, then this is obviously going to break all the records of all other smartphones. It was leaked in Twitter by a Twitter leakster, Evan Blast, which is very accurate about leaking the devices. But in this tweet, what you have mentioned is in your screen. Can't speak about the authenticity of the video or device, but it's leaked by Xiaomi. I'm told hot new phone or gadget prone deep fake. So he's quite trying to say that it may be a deep fake video, and he's not quite sure about the smartphone. But if it releases, then it is going to knock every other company from the battle. And it's Xiaomi has created a bigger fan base in Asian market, so maybe that they will introduce this smartphone in the Asian market once they launch it in China. So this is all for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are a Xiaomi fan, then one like must be given to the video, because they, if this is true, then this is going to be a very good news for all the Xiaomi fans, because the smartphone is not going to cost that high as it cost for Samsung's and all. So this is all. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.